Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going through a little thing that I found on MakerWorld, which I found absolutely fantastic. And it's going to take care of all your little pieces of filament. Some of you may know I operate a business, and that business is selling online 3D prints. And sometimes I need special boxes to be able to put the print into. So I came across an amazing print recently on MakerWorld, and that's these flat pack boxes that actually turn into really lovely little gift boxes like this. It takes about 30 minutes to print and uses probably about 19 gram of filament, which you can print perfectly off with those little bits of filament that we all have left on the spools but we don't want to throw away. So I decided to print one off, and it seems to have come out okay. This is the purple one that I'm using, just printed with eSun PLA. And I'll show you how we put this thing together. So really simple. If I can do it, anyone can. I printed it on a textured PI plate that comes with the Bamboo Lab A1, and it's just as simple as folding along the scored edges like so. Really easy. And then folding these in on themselves like that. Put the ears in first. I'm sure I'm teaching a lot of you to suck eggs here, but for those that are not sure how to put this together, this is how you do it. It's even got little cutouts at the bottom there for you to push these in to make it a lot more secure. And then simply fold in these little flaps and these ones, and there's your box. Quite simple, but really effective, I'm sure you'll agree. And there we go, put together. Looks a lot better than just handing someone something. Nice little box there, obviously printed on the texture plate, so it looks really cool. Now the next step, just to take this box to the next level, I decided I would like to somehow engrave some sort of design onto it to give it a bit more of a professional sort of look. So that's when I started messing about with the XTOOL F1. Let's jump over to the machine and I'll show you what I mean. So the XTOOL F1 is a fantastic piece of kit, really easy to set up. If you want to know what it looks like coming out of the box and how to set this thing up, then have a look at my previous video on this actual machine. But today I'm just going to take you through how I went about engraving this box. So let's have a look, shall we? Open the lid up. I've already put the jig in. You get this jig with it. It's a little metal jig. As you can see, the laser there this is to help you guide. This is to help you. So the two lasers that you can see, the blue and the red, when they come together, that means that the laser is in focus. I've already pre-done this. So as you can see, when the box is in, the laser is actually in focus there. And then what we do is we just close this up and set the machine away. And there we have it. 3.5 minutes later, we have ourselves a beautifully engraved box. I don't know if you can see that. So think of the potential. When handing someone a nice little gift, you can engrave a nice message in there, something like that. Or like I say, put your logo on. Or instructions or anything really. Absolutely fantastic. There we go. I thought I would record this, show you guys exactly what you can actually do with the XTOOL F1. There's a lot more things, trust me, you can do with this thing, but I'm always trying to find ways of incorporating it within our 3D designing project. I'm looking forward to continuing on with this and finding other ways of using this fantastic tool by XTOOL. And if you are interested in any of the stuff that I show on the channel, you'll always find links down below in the description. Thanks again to XTOOL for sending us one of these machines. We are really appreciative of that, and we will be making more and more content moving forward. As always, if you've got any questions around this or anything else that you see in our videos, then please drop them in the comments section and I will get back to every single one of them. Until next time, guys, I will see you later.